Planning a move for your home or office? Concerned about high costs, unreliable staff, or unaccredited moving companies? Worry not. Choose a stress-free move with Cloud Packers and Movers Pvt Ltd, your team of highly trained and genuinely caring moving professionals. Our dedicated crew, including packers, movers, loaders, and more, is ready to swiftly and securely transport your belongings. We have 21+ branches pan-India and suitable warehouses. Trust our fully maintained fleet and take comfort knowing we are fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind. Looking for impeccable packaging? Cloud Packers and Movers has you covered with boxes, crates, bubble wrap, plastic paper, and more, ensuring the safety of your precious items throughout the journey. Our proven track record speaks for itself, and you could be our next satisfied customer. Don't just relocate, move in the right direction with Cloud Packers and Movers Pvt Ltd. Call us today on 810-560-0621 or visit our website www.cloudpackers.com. You need it, we shift it.